base of Ericsson NFVI solution is that it is pre-integrated. We know what is required to deploy the solution in the customer environment. This makes the deployment easier and less risky than a decoupled approach, where each of the components of the solution must be integrated as part of the project delivery. The foundation is our delivery methodology. With the work to do the pre-integration, we are also writing design templates. Then, our projects can use these design templates to simplify the project to do the data center design. In the latest project, we have been able to reduce the time to do the data center design from a couple of months to a couple of weeks. Design templates pave the way for a very important aspect, the deployment automation. With the design templates, we collect data that is required for the config files, which are then consumed by the automation scripts. One very important aspect of Ericsson NFVI solution is the software-defined infrastructure. With this, we are able to automate the configuration of the underlying network. We have been able to reduce the time to do the network configuration from 1 week to a few hours, with less competence and less prone to errors. We are really focused to get tests automated. This is very important for these complex environments. The automation on testing allows us to execute the tests faster and always following the same procedures. Starting with a pre-integrated solution, and thanks to our delivery standardization and automation, we make the solution less complex and less risky. Now we can deploy quickly and cost effectively.